Hello everyone, want to share your Google Sheet with others? I'll show you how to create a shareable link in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Google Sheet you want to share and look for the share button in the top right corner. Click on that. A new window will pop up. Here you can add email addresses and set their permission, viewer, commenter or editor. But we want a link. For that, you have to, by default, it might be restricted. Click Change to adjust the link setting. You can choose anyone with a link or other option depending on who you want to see it. Once you have set the permission, click Copy the link provided. Now you can share this link with anyone and they will be able to access your sheet based on the permission you have set. And that's how you create a shareable link for your Google Sheet. Super easy, right? So if this felt helpful, hit like, subscribe and follow for more Google Sheet tips.